Video of me. Do I look really bad? Should I put my hair down?
I have you videoing now.
Oh! Should I turn the light off?
Why?
I don't want to look terrible, horrible.
You don't. You ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Oops. Slap on my knob, like corn on the cob. Check in with me and do your job. Lay on the bed and give me head. Don't have to ask, don't have to beg. Juicy is my name, sex is my game. Let's call the boys, let's run a train. Squeeze on my nuts, lick on my butt. The natural curly hair, please don't touch. First find a mate, second find a place. Third find a bag to hide the whole face. Real name Rover, I said bend over. Started to knock, but then came the order. Smelled like wish, shit had a wish. Told her to stop and take a dish. Once she did that, she didn't want the cat, so I bounced out and never came back. Suck a nigga, nigga, so. Suck a nigga, nigga, so. Suck a nigga, nigga, so. I'm gangsta. The nigga did magic, said he had to have it. I said just forget it, it's to grab it. No little freak in Hollywood, sex on dick. Does it real good. She'll give you money, fill up your tummy. House full of kids.
Say hi.
Hi. I'm undercover. I used to rubber till I got caught fucking with her mother. She blamed on me. Fought in the street. She pulled out a knife, so I had to flee. Called up the boys, went to a house, trashed the whole place, threw the bitch out. Where the niggas at? If in time, never get caught. Oh, hood. Yeah, that's right. I don't stop. Police station. License tag number. Bogus all the time, never get caught. What's up? Peace.